Hey again everyone, this is Fuad, and in this video we're going to be making a very basic target out of cardboard. This swinging mechanical system can be used with your NERF guns, perhaps a DIY gun that you've made, or pretty much can be used as any sort of target that you want. First of all, grab a single layered cardboard and cut out a circle of your desired size. Next, use some hot glue to attach a popsicle stick onto the circular piece. Next, I take a straw, a plastic straw, and you want to cut out the width of the popsicle stick, and you want to attach that straw piece onto the popsicle stick using some hot glue. Let's now make the base. I take a very thick piece of cardboard to act as the base, and I choose 2 popsicle sticks, which are going to act as the stands for this model. Use your pencil to create 2 lines on the base, and you're going to use your X-Acto knife to create relief cuts on these lines where the popsicle sticks are going to sit. When the world is getting darker, I have a dream where love's the only side. I use my X-Acto knife once again to create holes on the popsicle stick large enough for barbecue sticks to go through. Now apply generous amounts of hot glue into these relief cuts to attach the popsicle sticks to the base and make sure they're perpendicular with the base. Once the hot glue is dried, you can now install the target lever onto the mount. To ensure stronger rigidity of the stands, I cut out 2 little pieces of popsicle sticks and attach them like so. You need some weight on the other end of the target, so I just used this old battery to create the weight, but you can use any other weight such as a coin or pretty much anything you have laying around in the house. In order to prevent the lever swinging from side to side, you can cut out 2 little pieces of barbecue sticks and they're gonna act as the stoppers. And just like that, your simple mechanical system is complete. Feel free to decorate your target however you like.